Okay, so the kids are playing in the snow.
Just long enough for
There used to be even more snow, but this is very unusual. This has not happened in the 5 years I've been in Austin. I've had a few flurries, but that's about it. It actually snowed all day today and stuck to the ground, and tomorrow we so far have a late start. We might actually get a snow day. This just never happens. So the kids played at school all day, and now they're playing in our backyard. Our deck is covered in snow.
It snows so little I'm wearing
There's our snowman. Yeah, Tom's actually wearing my gloves. We're not prepared for the weather as much as we were in St. Louis, so Tom doesn't actually own a pair of his own gloves. So he's wearing mine. There's Ryan going down the stairs. He said, when I told him to touch the snow for the first time, he said, "I don't want to touch it. It's cold." But he's actually touching it now. Here, Tom, I'm going to give this to you because I'm not wearing a coat.
Okay. All right. Elizabeth, what are we doing? Are you knocking the snowman? Oh, no! You knocked the snowman over. You need to see. Well, you are the picture. Hey, Ryan. Ryan, can you show Elizabeth how you throw a snowball? Elizabeth. All right, Ryan threw a snowball. Ryan, can you show Elizabeth how you throw a snowball? Little problem with the chin strap. All right, big throw. We're teaching them good form young. Oh, that's the snowman's head rolling down the stairs. Oh, big throw. Here, Ryan, let's fix the strap on your hat there. All right, there we go. Elizabeth, where are you going? I think it goes without saying we're going to have a bath after we're done here. Elizabeth, what is all this on the ground?
Snow!
Snow. Have you ever seen snow before?
Yeah!
You have? Did you see it this morning?
I'm cold.
You're cold. Well, that's what snow is. Do you want to go inside? All right, you can go inside. Oh. You putting your gloves on? You want some help? Okay, I'm going to stop the video so I can help. Oh, the snowman's head fell off. Elizabeth, put the... Oh! Or you can knock the snowman over. Hey, let's put the snowman back together. What do you say, Elizabeth? No, Elizabeth for Daddy. Ryan, do you want to help put the snowman's head back on? Well, here, Ryan, put the snowman's head on. Here you go. Right? No, not down the stairs. Or, all right, we don't like that snowman's head. Oh, now we take the torso. What does it taste like?
Ice.
It tastes like ice? Is it yummy? Yeah? Ryan, what are you doing?
I'm in the hash brown. I'm in the hash brown.
Is that the hash brown? It's very exciting. Is the hash brown yummy? Ryan, what are you doing?
I'm flying.
What are you doing?
I'm flying. Oh.
Okay.
I get the snow.
That's right, you got the snow.
Let's eat the snow. Ryan, you have to eat the snow. Eat the snow, Ryan. I get the snow.
Okay, hey Ryan, where's your hat?
Snow. Eat the snow,
Ryan, where's your hat?
Snow. A hot brown.
Is that, Ryan, is that yucky?